Are you over 65 and looking for a way to stay active, reduce stress, and add beauty to your life? Gardening might be the perfect hobby for you. In today's video, we'll explore how gardening after 65 can be safe, joyful, and deeply rewarding, both for your body and your soul. Gardening is more than just digging in the dirt. It offers physical activity, mental stimulation, and a sense of purpose. Spending time with plants has been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and even boost your immune system. Just 30 minutes of light gardening can help you meet your daily exercise goals, without needing to go to the gym. But gardening safely is key, especially as we age. Here are a few tips to keep you injury-free and feeling great. Use raised garden beds or containers, no need to bend or kneel too much. Wear gloves, to protect your skin from thorns and insects. Stay hydrated, especially during warmer months. Use lightweight tools, they're easier on the hands and joints. Don't forget sun protection, wear a wide brim hat and apply sunscreen. Not all plants require the same amount of care. Choose low maintenance, high reward plants that make gardening fun, not frustrating. Try herbs like basil, mint, or parsley. Go for flowers like zinnias, pansies, or petunias. Plant vegetables like tomatoes, lettuce, or green beans, they grow quickly and taste great. Gardening doesn't have to be a solo hobby. Invite your spouse, grandchildren, or neighbors. Start a small gardening club or join a community garden. Sharing this experience can make it even more fulfilling. Gardening also supports emotional well-being. It gives you something to look forward to every day, a reason to get outside, breathe fresh air, and feel connected to life. Watching your plants grow is like watching time blossom with beauty. So whether you're planting a single pot or tending a backyard full of flowers, gardening after 65 can truly enrich your golden years. Stay safe, take it slow, and let your garden grow, just like you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more healthy aging tips, and share your gardening experiences in the comments.